leg. Okay, and soften your elbows. Atta girl. Kind of do a little bit of a mock test, see if you can get them put together a little bit more. Push from your leg into your hand, eyes looking where you're going. Good, now I want you to drop both stirrups. Good, keep toe forward. Use your seat. Use your seat. Look where you're going. Steadier. Engage a little more so the head gets quieter. Atta girl. Try not to be crooked in your shoulders. Now can you find your stirrups? Got the one. And then change directions. Push him a little bit more off your inside leg. A little shorter rein, suppler, more supple in your elbows. Push him through from the leg. Change your posting leg. Okay, again, softer in your elbows. Reins still could be shorter to help him get up through his back. Atta girl. There you go, a little suppling through your fingers. There you go. And then when you're ready, asking for an upward. Eyes continue to look at your hand. Your elbows got really stiff because I could see your hands moving around. A little more activity through your seat. Engage. Touch him a little bit with a whip. Say, come on. Touch him again with a whip. Soften through your elbows. You're going to toss his head if you're tight in your arms. Atta girl. There you go. Now push more. Come on. Go all the way around the arena now. Go straighter on the outside rein. Softening on the inside rein. Straighter on the outside rein. The haunch is in, which tells me that the inside, you need to let go of that left rein. Bring your left leg a little bit further back. Giving again on that left rein. Atta girl. There you go. Did you feel how that freed up his canter? Bring that left leg just a hair back. And come across the diagonal at X. Simple change through the trot. So think stretch up. Trot. Don't throw your body around. And canter. Good. Okay, so you got really crooked in your hips when you do that. Across the diagonal again. Same thing. Stretch up. You're gonna ride from your hips and canter. Good girl. So let's do it one more time each way. Softer in your elbows. Ride him to your hand. Okay, so you got to think I'm going to keep my right leg underneath me. So squeeze right leg, squeeze right leg, squeeze it, bend, and canter. Okay, because you get really tight. Do you feel how tight you get in your hips when you do that? And one more time. I'm going to do it one more to the left, and we're going to do it one more to the right, because the right is what gets really stiff. And canter. Good girl. Good boy for 4 years old. And right leg, bring it back now. Think about pushing him a little sideways. And trot and canter. Squeeze. Bend your right knee because your right leg still wants to come almost, your toes almost touching his elbow. And then circle. And trot. And then let him stretch at the trot. So give him the rein. Even more. All the way. Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. Keep pushing from the leg. All the way to the buckle now. Good. Good. A little bigger trot. Don't let him completely fall apart. Push. Good. And without touching the rein, to a walk. There you go. All right, that's plenty.